Hello, this is Jerome Cerilia, and today I'm going to share to you the things that I got from attending the Post Crossing here in the Philippines. It's today, supposedly September 21, 2025, but it was been moved. It's supposed we had it in Caloocan, Philippines. So come, let's get closer and let's have fun. So basically, this one is the loot bag. This is the freebie that we have na na-attend ako sa Post Crossing ngayon. And ito siya. So basically, may mga signatures lahat yan. And then, anuhin natin yan. Hindi naman ito yung gusto ko eh. Ang gusto ko, supposedly, yung ganyan. Pero dalawa na lang yung natira. Pero what can I do? Okay na lang. Diba? So, some of the stuff here are yung mga freebies na nakuha ko. So, anuhin natin. Let's go about it. May mga raffle kasi. Dalawang beses na bunot ang pangalan ko. Ang first raffle, ito yung nakuha ko sa first raffle. So, ito yon. Meron siyang bookmark. Yeah, a bookmark. And then, meron siyang ganito. And this one is a corgi. This is cute. This one I like. I'm gonna send it to myself. Parang anime siya. And then, we're gonna look at the background. It's Ortigas in the Philippines. And this one is Japanese. Nice. This one is crazy. There's a girl dancing. Right? And then yung mga ganito, iipunin ko yan. Bago ko siya ipamigay, iaanuin ko siya. What you call this one? Ipapasign ko sa likod. Parang meetup card. Sige. And then this one. This is one. Keeping Philippine Book Festival. I don't know when is this one. Probably this year. Marami akong ganito. Yan. And then this one, 2023. Right? I'm gonna keep them first bago ko i-dispose. Ito naman, papapirma ko. Right? Sa UP. This one too. Ipapapirma ko rin to. This one is nice. Huwag masyado malayo kasi maliwanag. Yeah. Ang daming postcard. Galing siya sa loob nito. And then, aside from that one, binigyan ako nito. Ilog Pasig. This is in 1930s. May mga barko-barko pa dati sa gilid. Is a pre-war Philippines. And then, this one, inabot sa akin. Let's see. This one in Spain. Florida. Ito yung parang promo. Japanese Film Festival. This one is nice. UP to. It's kinda old. Marami akong ganito eh. Yeah. Sa museum. Not bad. And this one. Ibinigay din sa akin tong ano na to. Naka-dragon siya pero Year of the Snake. Not bad, right? Inabot din sa akin ito sapagkat nanalo ako sa post and then Yun na. Since umattend din yung ano natin. Yeah. And then, this is a major raffle. Ako yung nabunot, kaya meron akong bagong coloring book. It's all about the cat. Not bad. Great. Ito yung pang-swap ko. Yan. And then, yung isa sa mga kaano ko, attendee doon, sabi niya sa akin, ihulog ko daw. Papunta sa kanya. Okay. And then, may dalawa kasing maliliit na ano, na inabot sa akin. Kukuhain ko to. At ididikit ko. Yeah. There you go. Buksan natin kung anong meron dito. Yeah. Yun. Akala ko kanina candy siya. O, kukunin ko pa rin to. Ang cute, no? Princess Sarah. Ito yung mga pinirmahan ko kanina. Ito yun. Oh. Marami siyang klase. Here, the small portion of it. And this one is this one. Nice. And then let's check. Ano ba ito? Tingnan natin. Para siya kasi yung ano, potato chip. Let's see. Hindi ko siya mabukas. Oh. Okay. Ano to? World Postcard Day logo. What exactly is this one? Marami akong bagay na hindi alam. Yeah. Alam ko to. Lalagyan mo to ng tubig. Tapos pang ano sa stamps, pandikit. Ang daming stickers. Buksan natin ang ingay ni Andrew.
That was actually from Sony.
Yeah, stickers.
Sony PlayStation.
Pampasko.
Yes.
It's happy birthday, Post Crossing.
The amount of transaction, $9.99.
May pais, masakit. This one is cute.
The transaction date, it was September 26, yesterday.
Yeah. Iba-ibang klase siya.
Yes.
Ano to? A sticky note. 50 sheets. Yeah, not bad. Hindi na nabibili to, no? What's this?
There would be a replacement.
National Heroes Day.
card.
Post-crossing
But if you
Philippine
will
May
file for
virtual
fraud,
meetup.
yes, we can be able to
Oh
replace your
wow,
card for
imagine. Paano nila nagawa to?
We will need to deactivate this card, and we'll be sending the replacement card in 7 to 10 business days. We
And
also
there's
need to
even
be
a
informed in
Japanese.
writing.
Is
So
this
we will send you a
Japanese
fraud
or
affidavit form that you need to fill out and send back to us.
Chinese?
And once you can send it back via either mail or via fax. And once we receive the document, that is when they can start investigation, and investigation process can take up to 30
A virtual meetup. Nice one. And this is
in 7 to 10
Mount
business days. And your current card
Pinatubo.
will be deactivated now for
Mount Pinatubo.
and you send the replacement card in the same address.
Nice. So basically that's everything.
Your card is already
And
activated.
bye
We're
for
good.
now.
I will be done requesting a replacement card.